Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix PDF not opening on Windows in 2026. So if your PDF files are not opening, showing errors, or just not responding, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, try opening your PDF with a different app. Sometimes the default viewer is the problem. Next, update your PDF reader, so an outdated app can cause files to fail to open properly. Now set a default PDF viewer like Microsoft Edge or another trusted app. This ensures files open correctly every time. So check if the PDF file is corrupted. Try opening it on another device or re-download it again. Next, disable browser extensions or antivirus temporarily. Sometimes security software blocks PDF files from opening. Finally, use an online PDF viewer. So, upload your file and open it directly in your browser if nothing else works. And that's how to fix PDF not opening on Windows in 2026. Once you update your reader, fix file issues, and use the right app, your PDFs should open normally again. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Windows troubleshooting tutorials.